In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and load straight into GTA 5 Online and skip the story mode. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're tired of either loading into the GTA 5 story mode and then having to load into GTA 5 Online, or just getting stuck on the landing page, and you just want to make it so you go straight into GTA 5 Online every single time you launch GTA 5, it's actually pretty easy to go and do. What you're going to want to do is hit start, and then from here, go ahead and navigate all the way over to the settings tab, just like so. And what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to see a saving and startup section on here. Go ahead and select that, and what you're going to want to do first is actually turn landing page off, and this is going to bring up a startup flow section where you're able to customize whether you load directly into story mode or load directly into GTA Online. Now, obviously, if you want to skip the story mode thing, you're going to want to put it directly on load into GTA Online, and as soon as you do that, you just have to hit B to back out of this, and it's going to auto save your setting. Now, whenever you go ahead and load into GTA 5, it's going to put you directly in GTA 5 Online, which is super convenient and saves you, honestly, quite a bit of time because the loading times are pretty obnoxious in this game. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.